Hi, this is Tim. Right here we got a 2007 Kenworth T300. It's got a Cat C7. Extremely clean engine. Tires in good shape. This is lease maintained since brand new. Got full maintenance record since the date in service. As you can see, that engine looks like brand new. Take a look inside real quick. Extremely clean. This unit's only got 111,000 miles on it. It's got the Eaton Ultrashift transmission, 6-speed. Extremely clean body. It's got aluminum liftgate, the extra large one. 3 sets of E-track inside with the translucent roof. Liftgate works great. If you have any questions on this unit, feel free to go online to our website or call 816-868-0205. Again, 816-868-0205. Thanks and have a great day.